Rude woman steps over tomb's rail, soldier makes her regretted. At times, it is hard to believe the amount of cluelessness that can fit into one person. This is one of those times. When an unbelievably rude woman stepped over the rail at the tomb of the unknown soldier, a guard instantly made her regretted. The tomb of the unknown soldier is a sacred place. It was erected for those who died for our country and were never found, and it is watched 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The guards keep watch there during rain, sleet and snow, anything that nature throws at them. While there are some people who might not have much knowledge about the significance of this historic place, there are barriers to keep them in the designated areas, as well as plaques everywhere, telling them to be quiet and respectful. So, under no circumstances is it acceptable what the woman in this video did. The woman in question appears to have wanted to take a closer picture with her tablet. But, instead of simply zooming in, she actually squeezed through a small gap between a post and a pillar, ignoring all of the signage, the guardrails, and common decency. The guard on duty was quick to put the woman in her place, shouting, "It is requested that all visitors remain behind the rail at all times." At this, the woman quickly scurried back from whence she came. To have attention drawn to her ignorance in front of a large crowd, many of whom were filming, had to be an embarrassment like no other, to be sure. The tomb of the unknown soldier at Arlington National Cemetery stands atop a hill overlooking Washington, D.C. On March 4, 1921, Congress approved the burial of an unidentified American soldier from World War I in the plaza of the new Memorial Amphitheater. Inscribed on the back of the tomb are the words, "Here rests an honored glory an American soldier known but to God." According to Arlington National Cemetery, the white marble sarcophagus has a flat-faced form and is relieved at the corners and along the sides by neoclassic pilasters, or columns, set into the surface. Sculpted into the east panel which faces Washington, D.C., are 3 Greek figures representing peace, victory, and valor. The 6 wreaths, 3 sculpted on each side, represent the 6 major campaigns of World War I. The tomb sarcophagus was placed above the grave of the unknown soldier of World War I. West of the World War I unknown are the crypts of unknowns from World War II, Korea, and Vietnam. Those 3 graves are marked with white marble slabs flush with the plaza. It is simply unacceptable to disrespect the brave men and women who have fought and died for our country for the sake of a photograph. Please, if you are visiting this treasured monument or plan to go see it in the future, obey the prominently posted signs and show the proper amount of respect.